Welcome to another Python speedrun with me, Mr. Denton. I've set a timer for 10 minutes, so I'm really going to keep it to 10 minutes this time and see how many I can do. Looking at if-else statements, given an integer, print odd, print even. Okay, so this is taking an integer, which is a whole number value, and we're going to print odd or even. So if integer can divide by 2 with no remainder, right? So mod 2, if integer mod 2 is equal to 0, notice we use 2 equal signs because this is a comparison. With 1 equal sign, we're actually assigning this value to this variable, all right? We're not assigning, we're comparing. So if we divide something by 2 and there's no remainder, then that must be even, right? Has to be even. If else, okay, it's either going to be even or it's not going to be even, right? There's no other options. There's no other if. So we can just say print even or print odd, right? That's going to be it. It's odd or even. Bob's your uncle. Francesca's your uncle's mistress. All right. There we go. Done. Next. Oh, man. Scrolling down. Boom. Given 2 integers, print the least of them. Okay, so we need 2 integers. We're going to print the smallest. So A and B, whichever one's smallest, we're going to print, right? So if A is greater than B, just use the standard mathematical greater than sign. So if A is greater than B, we're going to print A, otherwise, else we're going to print B, right? A is bigger than B, print A, otherwise print B. All right, there's no other options. I mean, there is another option. They could be exactly the same, but then it doesn't really matter which one we print, right? Whoa. A and B, print A. Weird. If A is bigger than B, print A, otherwise print B. Yeah, what the hell's wrong with that? 3, 7, and 7. 7 is bigger than 3. Oh, print the least of them. I can't read. Never mind. The least is the smallest, not the greatest. Man, this messed up my speedrun. Never mind. Okay. What the hell's going on here? For the given integer x, print 1 if it's positive, -1 if it's negative, or 0 if it's 0, or 0 if it's equal to 0. Okay. So A. Okay, if A is greater than 0, print 1. Else if. Okay. It's else if, but it's written elif. Ah, yeah, elif what? Elif A is less than 0. And -1. Else print 0. All right. I think that's right. So it's either going to be positive, negative, or it's going to be 0. Greater than 0, less than 0, or equal to 0. Given an integer, print yes if it's a 3-digit number and no otherwise. Okay. Well, how do we know if it's a 3-digit number? Well, a number is greater than 99 are 3 digits, right? So if oh, okay, but it's got to be less than 1,000. Okay, so if A is greater than 99 and A is less than 1,000, then we print yes. Okay, I almost messed that up. Yes. Else print no. Be careful not to delete out those indents. Okay, because in Python, the structure is given by the indent. So this is an if statement, and anything that is tabbed in will also be an if statement within the if statement. Anything that's not tabbed in will not be part of the if statement. Given two non-zero integers, print yes if exactly one of them is positive and print no otherwise. So if, okay, so we've got to get A and B. If A and B are both, what is it? Oh no, if A is positive and B is negative, or the other way around. Right? Okay, so wait a second. So if A is greater than 0 and B is less than 0, or less than or equal to 0. What about 0? Okay, less than or equal to 0. Or, okay, so there's two different scenarios. Either it's A or it's B. Okay, so A is positive and B is less than or equal to 0. Or the opposite way around. So B and not A, basically. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so just like in Boolean logic, yeah, we can combine our logic statements, our logic conditions, using and, or, and not. Let me just see if not. Oh no, never mind. I'll go back to the next one. Okay, so we're doing lots of Boolean logic. Given a 3-digit integer x consisting of 3 different digits, print yes if its 3 digits are going in ascending order from left to right and print no otherwise. Okay. I think we're going to have to do some. Okay, so first is going to be equal to A 100. Second equal to A. Yeah. You work out that one for yourselves. Yeah, so this gives me the remainder from 100 division, and then if I whole number divide that by 10, then I should get the second digit. So, and then I have to print. So if first is less than second, and second is less than third, print yes. Is that right? Else print that. I'm just going to check on my timer quickly. Got 40 seconds left. Okay. Don't think I'm going to be able to do another one in that time. So that was my 10-minute speed run. I think I managed to do 6 tasks. Hope you enjoy it. I'm about to do another one and share that with you too. All right.